Hello everyone. Today I am sharing a super easy and delicious snack recipe that you can make with a very simple ingredient, flattened rice. It's raining outside today and everything feels so calm and peaceful. Nowadays I am not feeling very well physically and honestly my heart doesn't feel very good either. Maybe that's why this rainy weather feels a little more emotional today. The sound of the rain is quite peaceful and somehow comforting. The cool weather and the fresh smell of nature make this moment so relaxing. Sometimes we don't need to say much, we just need a little time to rest, breathe, and let our minds be quiet. Rain days have a different kind of beauty, don't they? I'm just enjoying this beautiful rainy moment. Sometimes we all need is a quiet day, a warm cup of tea with crispy snacks. If you have some flattened rice at home and are wondering what to make for an evening snack, definitely give this recipe a try. It is crispy on the outside, flavorful and so delicious that everyone at home will love it. So, without wasting any time, let's get started.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
I'm going to add the ingredients one by one and mix everything together really well. You can also adjust the ingredients according to your taste and add your favorite vegetables or spices to make it even more flavorful. I am taking some flattened rice with dried red chili and blending it for the recipe.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Mix all ingredients properly. You can make them round, oval, and any shape you like. Now I am frying them over medium heat so they cook nicely from the inside while becoming beautifully golden and crispy on the outside. Friends, just look at that gorgeous golden color. They're getting so crispy and delicious. And our simple flattened rice snack is finally ready. The best part is that this recipe uses simple ingredients and is so easy to make. Serve this warm with a cup of tea and you have the perfect evening snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to his kitchen book for more easy and delicious recipes. Hello friends, if you tried this recipe, let me know how you liked it in the comments. Friends, see you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy cooking. Bye.